So this is what we got. All welded up. Fits in the retreat. Doesn't fit on there, obviously, on top of it very well because it's just got the welds inside. You see, it doesn't fit over the top, but it is a perfect fit. Fits in there lovely. Look. Once that's cut away and put in there, it will be lovely. See it now? You can see the little dip that goes in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm obviously not going too mad like I normally do because it's going to have a lot of underseal and that under it. If it was on the outside of the car, obviously I'd make it a lot more smooth and nice and get rid of all the improper welds. But I mean, it's come up pretty well, to be honest. You can see all the way along, yeah. So yeah, that's where the old bracket goes with the exhaust. So what I'm going to do now, get some of this in primer, get this in primer, give it, keeps it nice. I am going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, I know what I want to do, but I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know. Not sure what the best way to tackle this in some way. Because I want to keep this obviously completely in the right place. So ideally, I don't know. Ideally, I need to really chop this away. Maybe get the spot welds under here so it lifts from the floor. Maybe put the new panel of flooring in, and that bit down there, you can just about see it. Get all that tacked in. Maybe before I take this back bit off, because obviously I'm going to make this panel here. Yeah, don't know. I think I should get on with it. I think I'm overthinking it. I'm definitely overthinking it. I should need to get involved. Get involved. Yeah. I think I'm just going to crack on. I'm going to start taking this out, the spot welds, and see how well it comes out. I mean, that back bit there is at the. It's not attached hardly, is it? So, yeah, I'm going to crack on with this bit and then we'll go from there. So this is where we're going with this. Got this bit off. It's all it's not all rotten away. This is the bad bit. Oh, I'm getting it now. This is the worst bit of that. How bad that is in there. So yeah, that's gone. So we're going to come up here. Going to make this lip here. Make a panel. Make a lip. Come across here. Come around the back of this bit. This is all right around here. I think that's not bad at all. So I'm going to come across there. Come up here. Probably come to here. And then come along. Probably come along back here. And then come up this lip. Make this lip across this bit. Weld all that in. We'll get all that bit in and done. That lip on. Come down here because this is a little folded bit the other side. You can see where it tack rails on the other side, so I've got to do that the same on this side. So I'm going to make this, try and make this panel. I'm not really sure if I should cut it out or make it after. I mean, look at the state of it up there. I mean, it's a lot of frog tape to use. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to frog tape it like I normally do, and we'll go from there. So again, thanks for coming back. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the comments. I'm really glad that I'm helping people with their own projects, and I hope you enjoyed it like I do every time, as you can see by the rust. Good one. But yeah, I am enjoying it. I wouldn't be doing it if not. So it's rusty. It's long, but we'll get there. I'm going to build the floor next time. Start building that corner, get all that back quarter off. But yeah, we'll try and get quite a bit done, get this back panel off. So after this back panel, I'll make some new panels up and then we'll go from there. But like I said before, get involved.